Hello there. At Britlish, we work our fingers to the bone to help students improve their English skills, and we're pleased to tell you that there is another British English lesson in the Britlish Library. This new lesson teaches you 12 common British English idiomatic expressions which use the word bone. The 12 idioms are: make no bones about it, a bone of contention, have a bone to pick with someone, dry as a bone, chill to the bone, feel it in your bones, bone idle, close to the bone, have a skeleton in the closet, skin and bones, work your fingers to the bone, and bone shaking. If you don't know what these common English idioms mean, you need to visit the Britlish Library today at britlish.com. All the lessons in the Britlish Library are free to use for everyone, and we will have a bone to pick with anyone who doesn't find them useful to their studies. Make no bones about it, the hundreds of free, multimedia-rich, interactive English lessons in the Britlish Library are like no others available anywhere on the internet. Only the bone idle will fail to improve their English skills at the Britlish Library. You can find a direct link to the bone idioms lesson below.